This tutorial is looking at just drawing with points. So we have the same structure that we've been following for the previous code samples. We've got void setup with code block where we're setting the size of the canvas at 500 to 500, color mode RGB. The void draw loop has a background set to 0, fill set to a to be determined color, a stroke set to 255, 255, 255, which is white, a stroke weight, which is 5 pixels, and then I've got 3 separate points. You can see there's only 2 parameters, the X position and the Y position. And so we've got one in the upper left, 100 by 100, one at 400 and 200, so over to the right and about a third of the way down. And then we've got another point that's over to the right and closer to the bottom. Then the stroke color changes, the stroke weight changes, and we've got another point, and that's a heavy stroke weight, 50 pixels. And then we've got another point that's 250 by 250, so it's right in the middle. And again, these are just single points, and they have a stroke weight and a stroke color. And so essentially, you're getting circles, right? So that's a 50 pixel stroke weight on a single point. These are 5 pixel stroke weights for the 3 points. So very straightforward.